Hey, come back here. Gigi, come here a minute. Come here. Come here. Come over here.
Wow.
What are you doing? You standing outside in a blizzard?
What's a blizzard?
That's when it snows real hard.
Good.
It's good. Put your hood on better. Put your hood over your face better. Thank you.
There.
There. Can you catch the snow on your tongue? There you go. What's it taste like?
I don't know. I'm catch one. Wait. I bring it here.
No, don't eat it off of there. Don't eat it. Don't eat it off of there.
I know.
Where'd that come from? Don't eat it off the deck. Don't throw it at me.
It's snowballing.
You're snowballing. Ah! Come here. You gotta come back in now.